Good morning, students. This is Durgesh Kumar Pandey, your history teacher. Students, in my previous topics, I had discussed about the administration in vast Roman Empire along with Herod's kingdom. Students, now today I am going to discuss about the policy of the Augustus in his reign period. What kinds of policy adopted by the Augustus in his reign period. Let's talk about the policy of Augustus, students. When the Augustus defeat any kings during the war, he didn't rule over there. He appointed the defeated kings as remain kings of that empire, of that kingdom, and in return he take taxes from them. Students, when Augustus defeat any kings he did not used to live there. He did not use to rule over there. He appointed the defeated kings the king. He appoints the defeated king as king of that kingdom. And in return he take taxes. From them. Students, Augustus also support to the feudalism. Augustus, due to this work, he support the feudalism. वो ऐसे किंग को चाहता था कि हम अपने शासन को खूब ढेर सारा बढ़ाएं, expansion. He believes in the expansion of his empire, but not to rule over there. He take taxes in return of their kingdom. When he defeat any kings in the battles, he appoints the remain kings of that kingdoms, but in return he take taxes from them. वो उनके बदले उनसे टैक्स लगता था. He supported the feudalism. Augustus support feudalism. Augustus support feudalism. After that, he take taxes from them. Due to this work, due to this work, Augustus became more powerful day by day in compares to senators, senators decreased their power day by day because after the Roman monarchy, in Roman Republic, the power of senators became enhanced, became more powerful. The senators have more power in Roman Republic. By the establishment of Roman Empire, day by day, the kings of Roman Empire decreased the power of senators in any method. They want to decrease the power of senators in any method. किसी भी विधि से, किसी भी तकनीक से वो senators के पावर कम करना चाहते थे। तो अगस्टस के इस रोल से इनको बहुत घाटा हुआ, इनकी पावर बहुत खत्म होती गई, क्योंकि जिस राज्य को ये जीतता था उसके बदले वहीं के किंग्स को वहां का राजा बना देता था, और उसके बदले उनसे जो लेता था, उनसे कहता था कि आप नेक्स्ट बैटल में अपने सोल्जर्स के थ्रू भी हमारी हेल्प करोगे, अपने सोल्जर्स के थ्रू भी आप हमारी हेल्प करोगे, और उसके बदले में भी उनसे वो टैक्स लेता था। और आर्मी जो होती थी वो कैसी थी? पेड एंड प्रोफेशनल होती थी, सो आफ्टर दैट व्हेन द गैलिनियस बिकेम द किंग ऑफ रोमन एम्पायर, नाउ द नेक्स्ट किंग वाज गैलिनस। When the Gallienus became the emperor of Roman Empire, first the Emperor Gallienus consolidated their rise to power by excluding senators from the military command. Emperor Gallienus consolidated to raise their power by excluding senators from the military command. मिलिट्री कमांड। स्टूडेंट्स, जो बची खुची पावर होती थी, जो मिलिट्री कमांड्स के ऊपर टोटल कमांड किसका होता था? मिलिट्री कमांड के ऊपर टोटल कमांड सीनेटर्स का होता था। वहां से भी गैलिनस ने इनके पावर को खत्म कर दिया और अपनी राज को आगे बढ़ाया। Now students, we will talk about the mean of Roman city. Mean of Roman city. What does the mean of Roman city? What kinds of Roman city will be? We all will discuss in this topic, students. Mean of Roman city. Mean of Roman city. Mean of Roman city, students. An urban center with its own magistrates, city councils, and a territory containing villages under its jurisdiction. First, an urban center with its own magistrate, city councils, and territory head villages under its own jurisdiction, under its own jurisdiction. Example, Antioch was the city. Antioch is a kind of city who developed by the Roman empires as a Roman city. In comparison, in return for the establishment, for providing the lots of facilities in urban area, they take taxes from that city for the facilities of all those things. Students, these cities also known as royal centers. These cities also known as royal center because of their facilities. What was the advantages to living in that kind of city? What were the advantages? Now students, we will talk about the advantages. लोगों को बिना लाभ के कोई चीज अच्छी नहीं लगती। हर एक व्यक्ति वही काम करता है जहां पर उसे प्रॉफिट हो रही होती है, कोई अपने नुकसान के लिए काम नहीं करता। तो द पीपल्स ऑफ रोम first try to know what kinds of advantages does we will have to if we will live in that area. अगर हम लोग इस एरियाज में रहेंगे तो हमको फायदा क्या क्या होगा? What kinds of advantages that we have? The advantage to living in the city, that is, might be better provided for during food shortage and famines. First advantage, that in that time In that time, in countryside of Rome, countryside in Rome, peoples were facing food shortages, due to famines, अकाल के कारण जो गांव के लोग थे रोमन एम्पायर में, वे लोग भोजन की अनुपलब्धता को महसूस कर रहे थे। तो फॉर द बेटर फैसिलिटी दे माइग्रेट टुवर्ड्स द सिटी एरिया टू गेन better facilities and earn for their livelihood they migrate towards the city area. They earn money for their livelihood in the city area. City had public baths and urban population to enjoy a higher level of entertainment. The city have public baths and urban population to enjoy a higher level of levels of entertainment. Students, now due to the public bath, near about 176 times the gathering of public held. यहां पर पब्लिक बाथ के कारण लगभग वर्ष में 176 बार 176 टाइम्स यहां पर फेयर और कोई न कोई सेरेमनी ऑर्गेनाइज होती थी, जिसकी वजह से बहुत सारे लोगों को रोजगार भी मिलता था और लोग यहां पर जो कि अर्बन पॉपुलेशन में इन्वॉल्व थे वो अपने तरीके से इन माहौल को एंटरटेन भी कर रहे थे। इन द सिटी इज देयर लॉट्स ऑफ फैसिलिटीज in the comparison of villages. In the city, there were lots of facility in compared to villages. सिटी एरियाज में In compared to village, there were lots of facilities. The people came over there and enjoyed their life in its own manner. वे अपने तरीके से, अपने रहन सहन के तरीके से वहाँ पर आकर वो पूरे माहौल को एंजॉय करते थे. Public bath is an important work. Public bath is an important work by the government, by the local authority, so that people came there near about 176 times in a year to enjoy for the purpose of entertainment. For the purpose of entertainment. The people used to came there near about 176 times due to the public bath to entertainment for yourself. Students, by these topics I am going to end this class. Thank you, students.